Using the Monefy app for personal finance management is straightforward and intuitive. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use it. Download and install. Get the Monefy app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Initial setup. Open the app and select your preferred currency. This can be done in the settings menu. Add income and expenses. To add an income or expense, tap the plus button. Select either the income or expense tab. Enter the amount and choose a category that best describes the transaction. Optionally, add the note for additional details and adjust the date if the transaction did not occur today. Tap the check mark to save the entry. View reports. Access various reports and charts by tapping on the statistics or reports icon. This provides a visual representation of your spending and income patterns over time. Use these insights to identify areas where you can cut back and save more. Customize categories. Customize your expense and income categories by going to Settings and selecting Categories. Add, remove, or rename categories to better fit your financial tracking needs. Sync data. If you want to sync your data across multiple devices, enable synchronization by linking your Google Drive or Dropbox account. This ensures that your data is always up to date, no matter which device you use. Set budgets. Define budgets for specific categories to monitor and control your spending. Go to Settings, select Budget, and set time limits for each category.